What's up guys, and welcome to the Car Wars YouTube channel. So it's been a minute since we had a video, but that's because we've been pretty busy working on the paint. So let me show you guys what we got done and also what we gotta do today. So we got the vet back at our shop actually, and we got a bunch of painted parts. This is all painted. It's a little dusty right now. We don't want to wipe it off because the clear is still kind of fresh, but we painted all the parts. We got all the red parts, and then also look at that, there's the roof. It's a little dusty red, and then that carbon flash on the roof, and then also this centerpiece. So pretty much the top, the little centerpiece, and the back glass, it just all flows as one now. It's still not fully installed, so the lines are a little off, but I mean, this looks perfect. Let's see if I can get it to focus. I mean, it looks sick. So that's the roof. So we got all the parts painted. Oh, and also let me show you guys the hood. Check that out. So the hood, it's all repaired. Like all that carbon fiber is all repaired, it's all painted. And then we got carbon flash right here. So it's all gonna flow. So we got a bunch of parts everywhere. Look at this. We got a bunch of carbon flash parts, like everything's been painted. We got carbon flash things, mirrors, lips, a bunch of stuff. Things been happening. It's just we haven't been recording much because all these tiny little details take a lot of time. But the plan for today is pretty much the most important thing is we want to glue this rocker panel in. So we want to put it on here, glue it on, and just make sure it's all nice and stable. Well, first we got to clean this all up, and then glue it on, make sure this thing's all like perfectly aligned with everything. And then if we get it all nice and perfect and it's not too late, then we'll just keep working. We'll get the quarter panels on, maybe the doors. So let's start working and see how far we can get. What I gotta do is address this rocker panel. There's a bunch of little clips and different pieces, different details that go inside. We gotta assemble before we glue it on. And check this out, this is carbon flash right here. It looks so good. It's been repaired. It was like 140 bucks to buy one, and I repaired this one. So yeah, this thing's been repaired also. So yeah, that's what's been taking so long. It's been, yeah, there's been a lot of work that hasn't been filmed. I mean, literally probably could have made 3 more videos of just repairing the little details and painting. Yeah. But hey, check out how the roof turned out. I mean, we didn't get a new one. This is the repaired one. Oh yeah, this is that carbon fiber, guys. Look at that. So it's, I mean, it turned out pretty nice. I like it. So Peter has dressed up the rocker panel and he's actually prepping it right now. We are going to be gluing it on. the rocker is getting prepped, and then the car, we lifted it up and we're gonna be gluing it right here. So everything's already cleaned up, and we test fitted it just now. Everything seems like it's matching up. So now we're gonna put on some urethane and glue this baby on. So we got that rocker panel set right there. We had to throw on that quarter panel to make sure everything aligns. This right here, you know, make sure these gaps are all good. So got that on. While the urethane is still kind of soft right now, we're gonna try to throw on the door and make sure everything else fits perfectly. So let's do that. So we got the quarter panel, the door, and the rocker on. We're gonna let this sit overnight. We've been messing with this door off camera for like a few hours here, and well, all the gaps, making sure everything's perfect. It is some tedious work, let me tell you. But finally we got everything perfect. We're gonna let it sit. It did get pretty late on us. We also got this quarter panel on because everything's original over here, so we were matching up all the, well, the door is not locked. We were matching up all the gaps. So we got the quarter panel, this quarter panel, the rocker, and the door. So we're gonna let it chill overnight, and tomorrow we'll pick that right up. Alright guys, so it is the next day here. We let that rocker get hardened or whatever, glue on there, so it's all good. Everything's all nice and set. Opened up the door, they actually latch really good. Got Peter will demonstrate. Peter will demonstrate right now. Okay, let's close it. Boom. Okay, it still doesn't have the little rubber fillers and stuff.
Yeah, the door.
But It closes so good. So this is all pretty much ready. This just needs a little bit more hardware put on. But now we are going to be starting on assembling that rear bumper. So I need to assemble this, and Peter needs to go grab some more hardware that we need. And once I got the bumper put together, he's actually gonna start putting it on. I gotta dress everything. We'll put the bumper and then it goes all on as one piece, and then I'll be putting in the interior. So we got a lot of work to do, so let's just get to it. Alright, so I got this rear wing on right here, and this is the OEM Z06 little fins, and they are removable. So check out what we got. We got a little something right here. We got the extended one. What is the Z07?
Z07 package.
Z07 package. So which one? This one goes on this side. It's gonna go about that. Look at this. What is this, like 2-3 inches or something? Like 2.5. Look how much bigger that's gonna be. That is gonna look good. And this has also got the carbon flash on it already, so it's pretty much just plug and play. So I'm gonna be installing these. This should like make it look a lot more aggressive now.
Alright, and while he's doing that, I'm actually aligning the roof, trying to get it to the gap just right, because it's actually fully adjustable also.
Check that out. Look at this. That is gonna look really nice and aggressive. I'm actually pretty excited. Kind of want to see this thing on the car. But now I gotta put the taillights in. Peter's still messing with aligning that roof. Apparently it's a lot of work. Alignment always takes a very long time, very tedious. So he's just shifting things back and forth, making sure all the lines are exactly perfect. Like you guys seen, it was kind of hitting the roof, so a few things shifted a little bit, but everything's adjustable, everything goes side to side, so he's just making it perfect. So let's keep working. Alright, so the bumper is pretty much all assembled. It is ready to go on the car. Peter is putting the roof together, the rest of the stuff, so it's gonna be all nice and like finished up, because we took off like the material and stuff, so we gotta put it back, and then all the plastics and stuff. Check this out. That is crazy. It looks kind of funny without the badges, but I mean,
These things are so tall.
On camera, it almost seems like they're even too big. Dude, if we're gonna take this thing to the drag, we might have to take these off. They're gonna slow us down. I mean, look how tall they are. That is crazy. But that's how they have them, though. Definitely needs a little bit of black over here, a little bit over here. But that is wild. Alright guys, so we're gonna end the video there, but we are gonna keep working on the car, but we're gonna save that for the next video, so stay tuned for that. And sorry again that it took so long to post this video, but these next few videos should be coming pretty quick, so stay tuned for that. But like always guys, like, comment, subscribe, share, and we'll see you guys on the next one.